Fastest way to reverse fatty liver naturally. Fatty liver disease can be reversed naturally with proper lifestyle changes, dietary adjustments, and consistent effort. Below are some of the fastest and most effective natural remedies to improve liver health and reverse fatty liver. Focus on a liver-friendly diet. Reduce sugar and refined carbs. Limit consumption of sugary foods, sodas, white bread, and pasta, as these can worsen fat buildup in the liver. Increase fiber intake. Incorporate vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale, along with whole grains such as oats and quinoa. Eat healthy fats. Choose fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil while avoiding trans fats and fried foods. Include lean proteins. Opt for plant-based proteins, fish, and chicken to improve metabolism and reduce fat storage in the liver. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to help flush out toxins and support liver function. Adding a squeeze of lemon can further enhance detoxification. Exercise regularly. Engage in moderate physical activity for 30 to 45 minutes daily. Cardio exercises like walking, cycling, or swimming help burn fat and reduce liver fat accumulation. Incorporate liver detox foods. Green tea contains antioxidants like catechins that improve liver function. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that aid in liver repair. Garlic helps activate liver enzymes to flush out toxins. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly reduce liver fat. Focus on gradual and sustainable weight loss. Avoid alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major cause of liver damage. Eliminate or significantly reduce alcohol intake to allow the liver to heal. Manage stress levels. High stress can disrupt metabolism and contribute to fatty liver. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Use natural supplements. Consult a doctor before use. Milk thistle supports liver detoxification and repair. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil, these help reduce liver fat. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant to combat liver inflammation. Key takeaways. Reversing fatty liver naturally requires commitment to a healthy lifestyle, including dietary improvements, exercise, and stress management. By making these changes, many people see improvements within a few months. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Start these steps today for a healthier liver and overall well-being.